Hello everybody and welcome to Koshi Gumi channel. Today we will be making Ackees, a Jamaican food. My mom will be making it for me to eat as lunch. So let's get started. The ingredients are an onion, a green pepper, a canned Ackees, and soulfish. Alright, so let's put the soulfish inside the water. So first, let's cut the onion. Now let's cut the green pepper. Now let's open the Ackees can. Let's get cooking! First, you put oil on the pan. Then you're going to put the onion and the green pepper. Never mind, just the onion. Mix until it's golden brown. Now we can put in the green peppers. Now put in the Ackees and water and crunched up soulfish. And ketchup and soy sauce. Let's put the Ackees on a plate with rice. And try it out. Time to taste! It's okay. It has this cauliflower taste at the beginning. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Bye!